Welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-comment on multiple Facebook profile. First, open the software and go to Comment function and choose Comment. Then set some configuration. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. Next step, choose the content you want to comment on Facebook profile. I will choose the comment I have prepared already. After that, choose Comment by Profile and copy the profile's UID, then put into the software. Here, you can set the number of maximum comment per account. You can set some optional configuration here. Finally, choose the accounts you use to comment on Facebook profile and click Start. The software will auto go to the profile and comment on it for you. Very easy, right? This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Facebook. If you are interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.